Ivanka Trump on the witness stand today. The former president's daughter was called to testify by the attorney general in the civil fraud case brought against the Trump real estate empire. Morgan McKay is live in Lower Manhattan for us with the very latest details. Morgan.
Chris, Ivanka Trump is the last of the former president's children to testify and the last witness that the Attorney General's office plans to call in this civil fraud trial. Already, her testimony and her whole demeanor has been in stark contrast to that of her father's. Ivanka, she's been calm, concise, polite, even smiled at the judge. This compared to former President Donald Trump, who exploded repeatedly on the witness stand and exchanged jabs with the judge. Now, Ivanka tried to get out of testifying today. She said she now lives in Florida and claimed that being hauled into court would be an undue burden for a mother on a school week. But her appeal was denied. There are at least two ways that Ivanka Trump's testimony today is different compared to the other Trumps. One, she is no longer a defendant, unlike her brothers and father. Ivanka served as an executive vice president for the Trump organization, but left the company in 2017 to become a top White House aide for her father and was originally listed as a co-defendant in this case. But an appeals court removed her from the case in June. Now, the second way this testimony is different today is that Ivanka is not on the defense's witness list. So the state has just this one chance to question her. The Attorney General's office is looking to solidify Ivanka's role in securing loans for the Trump organization at low interest rates due to adjusted financial documents. Ivanka is seeking to distance herself from this case and repeatedly said on the stand today that she couldn't recall specifics of certain documents. Attorney General Letitia James, before heading into court today, emphasized Ivanka's alleged role in this case. James is seeking to ban the Trumps from doing business in New York.
She will attempt today to distance herself from the company, but unfortunately the facts will reveal that in fact she was very much involved. We uncovered this scheme and she benefited from it personally. Ms. Trump will do all that she can to try to separate herself from this corporation, but she's inextricably tied to the Trump organization and to these properties that she helped secure financing for.
So, Chris, something interesting to note is that every day of this trial, every morning before things kick off, the photographers and videographers will come in for about 30 seconds and spray the room, take some pictures of the Trumps seated at the defense table. But because Ivanka is no longer a defendant, they didn't do that today. So we're going to have to see if she continues testifying throughout today and into tomorrow, or if it just will be a one-day thing like Trump was on Monday. Reporting live, I'm Morgan McKay. Chris, back to you.